Hello everyone! Our Dollar Tree has started to transform itself into Valentine's Day decor. These here are actually metal and they'd be great if you're putting them in a planter as a pick. You can easily paint these. I think I'm going to buy this one. Can paint them and change the style or the color theme. There's a camper here and I really like the envelope. Just gonna grab one. These are a little bit bent. This one is cute. These little boxes actually make for flower, like a little flower arrangement box. So if you like a specific style. Oh, looks like they forgot the red print on that box. Let's see what else they have here. They literally just put stuff out, so I got really lucky walking in. Cute boxes here. I feel like these are new stuffies. Last year they had something similar, but not quite identical. And then they have these sweet little doggies, and it says "Be Mine" on the side. How cute are these? So there's pink, little brown one, and then a cream colored one. So cute. I just turned some of the prints around here, but these are plastic cups. These are also new. Little hedgehog, very plushy, and they're a decent size. A little dinosaur. They're almost like a baby toy. Oh, I like this one. So cute. I love the embroidery detail on it too. These are the Valentine's Day treats that were just put out. So they also have the cinnamon hearts. Do you like cinnamon hearts? These ones here. This is metal. It's not a pick, so you can just hang it or apply it to a piece of wood. So they have the pink and the red. And look at these little like envelope. They're metal. They're just so stinking cute. There's pink too. I have to look through the stickers because it looks like they have some new varieties this year. I'll go through these. I feel like last year they had the hearts. I love this one here with the little umbrella. Or was it different? I think the set was different. The hearts were here. These are really pretty. I'm going to grab this pack because it's almost like a fabric or a felt. It's hard to show here on the screen. Of course, I had to flip through again. I use two hands. It's easier sometimes, so I wanted to share the donuts. These are really pretty as well. This is my first year seeing these paper cups. And there's 10 pieces in each. They have little hearts. They have, little details. Look at this gorgeous ribbon. I think this is the same print we had last year, right? You're my person. I feel like that's the same as last year. This is really pretty for any season, really. Even for spring, like if you're doing a cute little picnic theme or something like that. So here are some of the Valentine's Day things, along with the cards. Do your stores already have Valentine's Day out? I almost missed these. These are hanging on the end clips. Little Valentine's Day gnomes. And the tips are like a shimmery. Oh, this one's cute. Little cats. S'mores. I love you, s'more. For the s'more lover. Little hearts. So they have the treat bags, or I guess like the plastic bags. I actually like this one here, and I love that they've now put in, as you can see, like the clear bag on the back. They're all clear, but they've slipped in a piece of white paper so that you can kind of see the prints a little bit better. Oh, this one's really pretty too, but they are clear bags with prints. Love this one. I was looking at the bags and noticed these. So all the Christmas items are actually on for 50% off. My kids are too old for Valentine's Day cards, but this caught my attention. So even if you're not into a Valentine's Day gift exchange, the cards can be used for paper crafting, pocket letters, those kinds of things. These little foil blow-up balloons are not helium based. They'll sell really fast. So there's pink and there's also the red ones along the bottom here. I noticed that they don't have a New Year's celebration display this year. So this is what they've kind of makeshifted, I guess. There's a few pieces here, but nothing dedicated to 2022. Let's go down the craft aisle and see if there's anything fun or new. Oh, see, stickers. I'm like the sticker Rolodex for Dollar Tree. These are new. Love the style. Love that you can make pretty cards with them. These are kind of newer. These have been out for a little while. Everything else is kind of more standard here. These are new. I'm curious to find out if people buy these. So the wax melts and the little essential oil diffuser stuff. Yeah, let me know down below, please. I'm always hesitant to purchase those types of things because I like to invest on something that's actually going to have a good throw. And I feel like sometimes if you buy certain things, oh look, they have a ton of little kitty bowls still. I know some of you were asking if I had some at my store. Lately it's been a hit or miss with the canvas boards. See, I like the ones with the wood exposed, and lately some of them have the stretch on top. In the stationery aisle, these notebooks are new. So they have like a faux leather cover. There's brown and there's black. Oh, I've never seen the scientific calculator before. Oh, no. There's the on. Yep, it works. It's teeny tiny. Really portable. Oh, I haven't seen the blocks in a long time. Notepads. I wish that when my daughter was into LOL, I would have found things at the Dollar Tree because it was so rare to find them. And here they always have a ton of things now. Look, there's even Mickey up top. But that's how it is, right? When your kids are into something, it's hard to find it at the dollar store. So there's the bubble mailers, which are sold out. There was pink and gray in this one. So pretty. Oh, there's some nice trays here, organizers. I'm trying to be a little more mindful in coming over to the party supplies because I know some of you find it helpful. So when I see something that's new, like these are, I don't think I've ever noticed these before. Paw Patrol, yes. But they also have Frozen up here at the top. And I really like that design, actually. So a few Disney options for gift bags. Oh, these are new as well. They're different quality. I should grab one of these. They actually feel nice. I don't know this brand. They put a Voila sticker on it, but it's not their standard Dollar Tree gift bag. See, theirs have like a different arm, or handle, I should say. They have some tissue here. The fishing game. I feel like this set is new. They have a ton of Lego. This usually sells out really fast before Christmas, but I guess it got restocked. Some stuffies. And here are the new storage bins, the new line. I love these colors. They're so pretty. Very pretty. I'm going to grab a blush pink. I like all three. There's gray as well. And they have some other bins here. Share with you a quick view here of all the things. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me. Until next time, everyone, bye for now.
It said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your